Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to cancel your club car wash membership in just a few simple steps. So if you're looking for it, let's dive right in. So the first thing is, the easiest option to cancel your club car wash membership is to call their customer service. You can find their number on their website or in your original membership emails. So call and let them know you'd like to cancel and have your membership details ready. Now, another option is to visit any club car wash location where the staff can help you with the cancellation. For added convenience, check their website under the membership or help section to see if there's an online cancellation form you can fill out. Once you have submitted your cancellation request, whether online, by phone, or in person, ask for a confirmation email, a receipt as a record. Finally, monitor your bank statements over the next month to ensure no further charges are processed. So that's it, guys. That's how you can cancel your club car wash membership. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.